In trading, your platform is the foundation. When speed, clarity, and control align, better decisions follow. Today, we're comparing 4 power players: Jigsaw, Bookmap, Quantower, and Sierra Chart on speed, visualization, and ease of use. Now, when I compare any trading platform, the first place I dig is user reviews, and not the polished testimonials on websites, but the real feedback from traders, the positives, the frustrations, and everything in between. Starting with Bookmap, one user said that onboarding was cumbersome and that customer support took so long, leaving him locked out for 2 days after paying. So yeah, that's kind of frustrating, but reviews do suggest that it is kind of rare too. Setup issues like this do tend to be more account specific, and once traders get through the first login, the feedback really shifts dramatically. Many describe Bookmap as a turning point in their trading. One trader credited the Discord community, especially Tom B and Traders Lab, for changing his trading mindset. Another said that after struggling for years, just 2 weeks of guidance turned his experience from constant frustration into confidence. When I weigh those long-term benefits against occasional setup hiccups, the positives clearly outweigh the negatives. Now, with Jigsaw Trading, one trader complained about losing $300 after trying to cancel within 14 days, believing that a full refund would apply. And while billing disputes like this are frustrating, they do appear pretty rarely, and they often do come down to not fully checking the terms or failing it. And while disputes can be resolved through payment providers if necessary and if you really need to, most reviews focus instead on performance and the features and other frustrations or qualities. Many traders, though, highlight Jigsaw's DOM as one of the best available, praising its combination of price, value, features, and quality. Others say it's the only platform that gave them a real understanding of how markets move. Overall, Jigsaw's tools are seen as offering professional-grade insight without the steep institutional price tag. Quantower had a user upset about forced updates interrupting a trading session, causing him to miss a trade, so that's understandably frustrating. But the support team clarified that updates can be skipped or postponed so that that doesn't happen. And once that's known, the issue becomes manageable rather than what might otherwise be a deal breaker, right? And on the positive side, the traders highlight Quantower's flexibility, clarity, and advanced features. Like one reviewer said that it ran smoother and that it ran faster than NinjaTrader on the same data feed, which is a major advantage for scalpers. Like many also really appreciated the more modern, customizable interface, which makes it easier to adapt compared to older platforms. And then there's Sierra Chart. So here, the tone of reviews was different. Several users voiced frustration with the interface and performance. One user who switched from TradingView said Sierra felt slow and laggy even on a high-end laptop with 32 gigabytes of RAM, stressing that it wasn't his hardware that was the problem. Unlike the billing or setup issues of other platforms, these were about core usability. Yes, Sierra Chart is acknowledged as powerful, but many reviewers point to its steep learning curve and dated interface as drawbacks. It often feels like a tool that traders tolerate for its capabilities and use rather than enjoy to use daily, right? So in general, though, where do these platforms truly earn their place? Where do they stand? It really comes down to how they deliver data and insight. Bookmap's standout feature is visual clarity. Its heatmap shows order book liquidity in real time, letting traders see buying and selling pressure at key levels. This makes it easier to anticipate breakouts or reversals before they play out. Its iceberg order tracker helps identify large hidden orders, moves that traditional charts miss, and that gives traders a clearer read on market movers. Execution speed is also strong, with trading directly from the DOM. And for professionals, Bookmap offers the quant solution for institutional level integration. Jigsaw takes a different approach. Like if Bookmap emphasizes seeing, Jigsaw emphasizes more of the understanding. Its DOM is designed as both a tool and a learning resource, teaching traders to interpret order flow. Their trading materials, like those on Cumulative Delta, focus on showing who controls the market, buyers or sellers, rather than just signaling entries. Their approach to iceberg order analysis is also detailed, helping traders grasp the why behind market moves. Quantower's strength is being an all-in-one solution. It really combines the power of advanced platforms together with this modern, intuitive interface. Its DOM Trader panel is customizable and efficient. The Algo Studio really stands out as well, allowing traders to build custom indicators and automated strategies in common languages like C#. It supports stocks, futures, forex, and more, appealing to traders who want that increased depth and flexibility without giving up ease of use. And then there's Sierra Chart. It remains a professional's choice thanks to its depth, stability, and precision. You can chart virtually anything, customize extensively, and build advanced system, but that power also comes at a cost. It's very steep learning curve and data design that really make it harder for many traders to adopt it compared to newer platforms. Of course, none of these platforms are perfect. Bookmap can definitely also feel overwhelming at first, but the visuals, I think, provide more clarity once you adjust to it. Jigsaw has its own learning curve, but its tools reward the effort and give you a lot of different opportunities. Quantower updates, as we mentioned, can be disruptive if they happen automatically and you don't know how to postpone them, and that they're optional, but once that's managed, it's smooth sailing. Sierra Chart offers unmatched depth, but it feels less intuitive and modern than the competitors. Alright, now let's talk pricing. Each platform has its own model. Bookmap and Jigsaw are geared toward serious traders who want advanced tools. Quantower offers flexible tiers. Sierra Chart is affordable but comes with usability trade-offs. Ultimately, the best value isn't about the lowest cost though, but the platform that really provides the best value and the clearest trading edge. For any of the exact pricing and current promo information, just check the links in the description below. We keep that updated. Alright, here's the bottom line. Bookmap and Jigsaw, I think, stand out for their clarity and insight into order flow, giving traders a real edge there. Quantower is a really strong, flexible alternative with more of a modern usability, but Sierra Chart is really powerful, but it still feels dated compared to the others. I've included official links with current offers in the description down below so that you can compare them directly and decide which platform fits your trading best.